Welcome to Sanskriti Kolkata episode number 139. Your favorite, my favorite Bengal handloom and on pure handwork katha in silk and tussar. So let's get started. This is Lalia Dattagupta from Sanskriti Kolkata episode number 139. We love katha because these all hand embroidery and pride of Bengal. Product number 1, Bangalore Silk 7990. Peacock motifs, magenta color, pure Bangalore silk. See the embroidery in multicolored threads and very neat work. The threads are very well finished. See the closely, I'll show you the work. Pure Bangalore silk, Achol 7990, handwork, peacock design, with blouse piece border, running blouse piece with the border. Usually when there is all over work in katha, then the blouse piece meter comes to around 65 to 70 centimeters, not 91 meter. So most of the blouse pieces are a little shorter. So you have to add some fabric if it doesn't, fulfill your need of the length of the material. This is 7990, product number 1. Product number 2, again a pista color Bangalore silk. In Bangalore silk, the frame marks are sometimes prominent, so that is not a defect. Please note, that is not a defect. And those who are more than 5'7" height, you have to add a fabric when there is all over work. Like see here, little bit of fabric stretches when you put the frame tightly and then do the stitching. So this is not at all a problem at all. It happens especially in Bangalore silk, but this is no problem. Nothing will happen. Don't worry at all. These are all pure Bangalore silk, heavy quality. Product number 2, pista color with folk embroidery in katha, blouse piece with sleek embroidery, and here is the. See, it's the border, the embroidery is in the style of Madhubani. These are actually Madhubani painting designs we see that has been done in katha with little fish and figures, birds, and this is the pallu part. Very sweet color combination in pista with village palki, in the pallu part. It's a cart. Tussar with multicolored border, multicolored work, very prominent bird and flower design throughout the sari in tussar, black border, achol, broad border in the lower part, and with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Till your hips the work will be throughout and then it will go diagonal. Bangalore silk crack batik katha in Firoza, dark turquoise. Crack batik, mom batik, wax batik, crack design with full embroidery in katha, border, upper sleek border, all done by hand katha work. Achol in heavy katha work, 8500 product number 4. Again, please take screenshot where the number is clearly visible. And once the payment is done, when you send me the delivery address, it has to be in one WhatsApp message where the phone number and the country, the state, everything is clearly mentioned along with the pin code and phone number. Please, it's a request because it the shipping gets delayed when I don't get the details of this. Again, for a message of a pin code, the delivery delays by another day. So please, because we have a fixed timing for the parcel pickup and all, so please send the shipping address once you make the payment. Clearly, after the payment, we need the details of the shipping address and phone number. No border, batik katha, panel design in pink and black. See, this is the work, this is the batik. Crack batik, alternate achol, beautiful embroidery, very smart look. The colors, especially colors, also very nice, and this panel design alternate with batik and katha, it's looking very unique with this black blouse, and here is the border. This is the work, the sari, the look. Once again the achol for you. All the prices are clearly mentioned, 8550 for product number 5. Another lovely shade in rust and black, crack batik katha. Again panel design, but of course the embroidery design changes. Rust and black color panel. Achol for you. Blouse piece. You know, in these batiks you may get 1 or 2 batik spots, so these are all natural spots, these are not any defect. These happens when you do the wax batik and then you heat it, you put it in a hot boiling water. So these are little things which happens in handwork. These doesn't happen in block printing, screen prints or anything. These happens when you do handwork, hand batik, hand katha, hand dyes. These are quite natural. Now coming to another Bangalore silk, navy blue, broad border, dark navy blue, very smart. Soft polish has been done in it. Stripe design in the border, broad border with center buta. Achol 8500. It has a blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. You can wear a red blouse with the border attached, but this navy blouse will also look very nice. Very sweet, very smart design, very different design. Achol, big achol. Totally done in panel stripes. Similarly, there's product number 8 in wine color, dark maroon color. Same Bangalore silk with temple embroidery, temple design. 8500, 8500 rupees. Here is the blouse piece border. These two are soft polish done. Sometimes customers want very soft polish, so soft polish was done. It's number 9, black. This work is katha with kutch work. It's a kind of fulkari design done, hand work, herringbone and katha, and it's a with kutch work. It's a very different, very pretty work, so I thought of showing this also. See the pallu, bright multicolor pallu in jet black. Lovely design. Half sari will be all over work. The rest will have the lower border and the buttas. With, of course, the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. See, so smart, isn't it? You can wear a emerald green blouse, a mustard color blouse. Very nice work. Once again, the bright, gorgeous embroidery. Now coming to a reverse katha in Bangalore silk 8500. Royal blue, diagonal work. See the work. Reverse katha with outline done in this lotus, the leaves, so pretty. The work is exquisite, and the colors that has been used, it seems as if it's a collage design. Royal blue, Bangalore silk, with border. Very bright. Product number 11, 8500, magenta with butta, sleek border, rich pallu, partly pallu designed, temple in the pallu, in the pleats. Here comes the pleats. So, since the border and the buttas are sleek and smart, the pallu and the blouse and the pleats are very rich work. This is the blouse piece. So the color 8500. Now the mannequin sari, again a Bangalore silk diagonal katha all over work. See, half sari all over embroidery in mustard yellow with grey, red and maroon katha work done. This is also a lovely shade. Beautiful color combination. Mannequin wearing, you have to tell me that they take the screenshot. 8900. See the rich, it will also have a blouse piece with the border. 8900 for this mustard Bangalore silk katha in mustard. Tussar product number 138500, reverse katha. Also for a little elderly people who loves katha, for the mothers. This is without red or rani also. So those who wants to avoid red, rani, maroon colors. So for them this is also a very pretty sari, reverse katha. The color combination is in turquoise blue and off-white color. Whitish tone, it's a more very light off-white. In pure tussar. Achol. Blouse piece, this will be the two borders in the blouse piece, and also the back will also have the border. So two sleeves and the back part will have the border, and see, it's a very pretty looking sari, very pretty, very elegant. Tussar Zari border product number 138500. Tussar Zari border, Zari woven pallu, temple embroidery shaded. Designer look. Achol. I'll drape and show you how it comes, the shading, and absolutely contrast magenta zari border blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. So very smart looking sari. It's totally a designer look sari. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Both are in Ballygunge. There is car park. Sundays we are open till the Durga Pujas. All days 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. we are open. Shipping charges are applicable, cash on delivery only in Kolkata. Lovely Bangalore silk in off-white with grey color, big prominent flower leaves throughout, rose embroidery in grey color, very different looking smart sari, all over work till the hips and then the lower border. And here is the blouse piece. After washing the embroiders, the karigars, they usually give them to dry in the field, so there may be one or two little mud marks, so but that goes after the wash. So we wash it and shape, of course. I mean, after polish, wash and then polish is already done, but still there may be one or two little marks. I hope you understand. So this is the sari. Especially in light colors, it shows sometimes. Very pretty sari. 3D Katha, product number 15, 3D Katha. Mustard golden combination. Achol. 8990 for this. With contrast green blouse piece, 2 sleeves, back. These look so gorgeous because of the colors, the weaves and the multi pallu and the contrast blouse. These look really gorgeous. 8990 again. Another 3D Katha product number 16. green, olive shades of green, hara bhara. Aanchol. And contrast purple royal blue blouse piece. 2 sleeves and the back. Royal shades. Aanchol for you once again. Another very pretty sari which you are all fond of. This it's double tagged. It's product number 17, 8,900. Okay, so this is the temple design. Last time I had shown navy and then previous time also black, but the embroideries changed. Very prominent, neat work. See the big temples both sides and such beautiful, lovely handwork. See the back side, the finish, the neatness of the work. Aanchol. Absolutely stunning piece. Stunning embroidery. Very traditional combination, traditional katha, but mainly is the filling of the thread, each motif, each the leaf, everything, the filling of the thread is very important for the complete finish of the product. This is the back side and it will have in the sleeves also, back and sleeves with work. Temple thread work katha in jet black, Bangalore silk. Reverse katha in jet black, 8900, jet black, Bangalore silk, diagonal, reverse katha, collage design, multicolors. We do not make in art silk. Everything is absolutely pure. Either it's 100% cotton, which I show in the cotton episodes, or it's pure silk or tussar. This is the blouse piece. I do not make in art silk. This is the work. It's actually not worth, because with few, if you add a few, with little bit extra this kind of handwork, it's best to make it in pure fabric. Tussar, check, katha. Very fashionable sari. Dyed. This is fully in katha. Each box is filled with Guriran katha. Each chessboard box is filled with katha. Aanchol in tussar, 8900. It's a very fashionable sari actually. With your silver junks, it will look very pretty. Or just, black, this checkered blouse is also very pretty, red with the check border. Just wear your big red or black bindi, or just wear a big chunky jhumka and nothing in the neck. Very smart it look. Another desi tussar katha with applique, traditional color combination, 9500. Reverse katha, heavy quality desi tussar. See the work, and this part is done in applique. Achol, full work, very smart, very elegant sari. This is a very classy sari. This is the blouse piece for this. Ideal for, the Puja Ashtami. Gorgeous sari. The achol for you once again, 9,500 desi tussar reverse katha with applique. All over geometric work in desi tussar katha, all over. See the embroidery. Orange, red, yellow, lovely shades, bright work, neat, prominent design. Half sari, full work with the, after the pleats, the daman will have the work and it will have a sleek border blouse piece because the sari itself is full of embroidery. See the design. Gorgeous, very pretty sari. $9,800 for this, 9800. Pista tussar katha. Abstract work, very unusual shade. Now 8900, 8,900, black and dark maroon with white thread work. Please like, share and subscribe to get regular notifications because in every episode there will be something new or the other. This is the blouse piece. Dyed katha, 9500, dyed katha, shaded with geometric work in the borders. Achol, shading is also very pretty because it's in the shade of deep and light blue. With contrast olive blouse piece, 2 sleeves and the back. Very smart looking. So all designs are different from each other. Bangalore silk, little off color combination, dark maroon, it's deep wine color with blue embroidery done. See, it's a very different work. Little out of the combination color used, out of the regular combinations that usually we see in katha. This is little hatke combination. This is the blouse piece. All over work. And now the one that I'm wearing, totally leher dyed. I'll just show you the colors available in this. This is 9800. Beautiful shading done in leher design along with, Leheriya Katha. So see, there's a lot of hard work. Leher, dye. In between each dye is this Katha work. So very uncommon, unusual sari in pure Desi Tussar. This is Nokshi Katha Paisley Pallu. Nokshi Katha Paisley Pallu 9800. This is rust and mustard. And one thing, since it's dyed, all the dyes will not be even. There will be little dye patches here and there, but that is not prominent. This is the blouse piece in rust. See, beautiful color comment. On wearing this looks so smart because itself the dye is very fashionable. See the achol once again. The one that I'm wearing, light olive and mustard. This is also available, this color combination. Light olive with mustard. With mustard blouse piece. This has a mustard color blouse piece. And the neck piece that I'm wearing, this is also available, 3500 with earrings, 3500 with this Tanjore painted big chunky stone neck piece, mala with the earring. The whole set is 3500. And there's another color in Leheriya which is in royal blue and Firoza. See, this color combination is also gorgeous. Shades of blue. See, you can wear a black and white printed blouse like what I'm wearing also. This is the achol 9800. Nokshi Katha Paisley achol with royal blue blouse piece for this. And the last one, red, mustard and Firoza. Aren't they gorgeous? Totally new, different concept in tie and dye, Leheriya, in Desi Tussar with Nokshi Pallu, Nokshi Katha Pallu. This will have a red blouse. This is Dudhe Alta red. Since it's in tussar, you don't get that glazy, too loud red. This is all Dudhe Alta red, a beautiful shade of red. This is the blouse piece. Please do check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. All the products will be uploaded in Nokshi and Reverse Katha album. You can check out the still pictures. Do check out our WhatsApp status also regularly for notifications. Thank you so much. Namaskar.